Why does your scanner show the P2308 engine code? And what does it mean? P2308 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil C secondary circuit. The P2308 diagnostic code indicates a problem in the ignition coil C secondary circuit. The vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, stores this code when it detects an abnormal voltage condition or a malfunction in the secondary circuit of the ignition coil designated as C. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil. Wiring and connector issues. Faulty fuel injector. Worn-out spark plug. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, but it is most commonly found in Dodge, Honda, Toyota, Ford, Chevrolet, Hyundai, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.